When I asked everyone what my new kitten's name should be, I got so many name suggestions. A lot of people asked for Coco, but my other cat is named Coco Melon. So if I say Coco, both of them will respond and probably get confused. And then a lot of people suggested Cinnamoroll, which is such a cute name too. But then when I say Cinnamoroll, there's already the one and only Cinnamoroll, and that's this adorable flying puppy. So I wanted to pick a very unique name for my very unique kitten, which I found underneath my house. So after much thought and scrolling through YouTube comments, I have decided that the perfect name for this kitten is... Can you like and subscribe while her name tag prints? In 3, 2, 1, my new kitten's name is Pudding! Welcome Pudding to the world, everyone!